Now let us study about some major cyber crimes. First one is hacking. Definition for hacking. Hacking refers to the intent of finding some weak points in the security mechanism of websites and other computers in order to gain unauthorized access. The persons who perform hacking are also known as hackers. You all know there are two types of hacking, that is ethical hacking and unethical hacking. The activities of hackers are not limited to only gaining the unauthorized access to system but also include stealing and destroying the confidential information. Can also introduce viruses in the network which can enter the database and crash the whole server. Next is spoofing. Hackers spoof by hiding their identity. They pretend themselves as someone else by using fake addresses. For example, a link directed to a duplicate e-commerce website created by a hacker can help him in collecting and processing orders, stealing sensitive customer information like account number, Aadhaar number, etc. Next is sniffing. Sniffing is also a cybercrime. Sniffer programs are used to listen to the data traveling in the network without the permission of the sender of the data. These programs, if used in a right way, it can help in finding network trouble spots or criminal activities on the network. Sniffer can also be used for criminal activities like extracting email messages, files, and confidential reports. Next cybercrime is password crackers. Password crackers are the programs that can guess password of some password protected system, thus making it accessible. Today, a variety of crackers are available on the internet. The hackers make use of these programs to hack the password of the system for performing malicious actions. Next is computer virus. Virus stands for Vital Information Resources under SEAS. That is the full form for virus. Vital Information Resources under SEAS. Virus is a program or small code segment that has the capability to attach itself to the existing programs or files and infect them as well as replicate itself without user's knowledge or permission. It has the capability to replicate itself, that is, it will grow in itself. Next is cyber terrorism. Cyber terrorism use computers over the internet to destroy other websites or computer systems. The attack on government websites is an example for cyber terrorism. Such cyber attack includes defacing websites and affecting or shutting down critical national infrastructures. Next cybercrime is phishing. Phishing is a form of threat that in which a person attempts to steal the sensitive data. Sensitive data means financial data or personal data like account number, social security number, ID number, Aadhaar number, etc. The fraudsters make use of fake websites or emails and prompt the user to enter their personal information like username, password, social security number, etc. This way they can access the personal information and misuse it. Next is software piracy. Software piracy is the unauthorized copying of an internally developed software or the illegal distribution of copyrighted materials such as a digitalized version of music, books, games, and videos over the internet. Pirated movies is an example for software piracy. Next is information warfare. Information warfare is the application of destructive operation against information content or its supporting systems. An example of information warfare is jamming of a satellite with the help of computers. That is an example for information warfare. Next is DOS attacks. DOS means denial of service attack. Hackers flood a network server or a web server with so many false requests in order to crash the network. In this situation, the server is not able to serve the genuine request. So many false requests are coming from all over the world, and it will create traffic block and it will crash the website. This is known as denial of service attack. A variant of DOS attack is DDoS attack, that is distributed denial of service, in which numerous computers are used to generate false requests for a network.